Why am I on here today? Well, I just had the absolute glory of speaking. Well, I always speak to my brother and family, but speak with him today, and oh man, you don't understand, man. When he's the way he speaks about brotherhood and family, he doesn't know. When I got the phone with him, I shed a little tear because that stuff hits the soul, man. It really does, man. He's like, brother, you came home, and he says, you've seen, you understand, and you're an elder for a reason, and there are just some things that you need to do, and you always think you know everything, and then somebody wiser sits you down, and let me tell you, man, it cuts, man. It really does. And when you don't understand, and you really start to open your mind up to these to words, you don't judge a book by its cover, and you just listen, man. The last 2 years, man, let me tell you, it's been remarkable, man. And but with him, he used to look out after me. My brothers tell me stories and stuff. I didn't even know how calculated I was as like 5 years old. I used to sit there and send my brother out, distract people to get the plantains and the grand nuts. He said, you were very calculated as a little boy. It's not surprising you became an engineer, he says. But, I just wanted to tell him, man, medawo, kwabna misa DF. I honor you, brother. You know what I mean? I'm listening. I've opened my mind and my heart. I'm listening. I hear you. All right. Okay, you are blood for a reason. And yeah, you're part of this massive, huge family. Our grandpa and our great grandpa, we built a really good family. And brother, man, I appreciate it, man. All right, appreciate it. Medase pa kwabna misa DF. Thank you. But yeah. It's been humbling, man. It really has. Yeah, I never saw this coming, I'll tell you. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and say that, like, thank you for protecting me, brother. You know what I mean? We all take different paths, but we're still family. You know what I'm saying? So medawo na medase kwamna misa DFA. Bye bye.